Welcome back to Outgrow Tutorials. Today we're building something exciting, an event ticket finder that helps users discover the perfect events based on their preferences. Whether you're organizing concerts, sports events, or conferences, this interactive experience will boost engagement and drive ticket sales. Let's dive in. Step 1. Logging in and dashboard overview. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your central hub where all your interactive content lives. As you can see, Outgrow offers different types of content, type sections at the top. This is where we'll start building our event ticket finder. Step 2. Selecting content. For an event ticket finder, we'll use a quiz. Now you have three options. Start from scratch with a design layout, use a pre-made template from our library, or start with AI. For this tutorial, we're going to use pre-made templates. Step 3. Welcome screen setup. Now let's set up the cover page. Add a catchy title like Find Your Perfect Event in 60 Seconds. Add a small subtitle. Answer a few quick questions and discover events tailored to your interests, schedule, and budget. You can also upload a banner image of concerts, sports, or theater events. Step 4. Start adding questions. Click Add Question and choose Multiple Choice. Label your question. What type of event are you interested in? Add options like concerts, live music, sports events, comedy shows, theater, performing arts, festivals. Question 2. What's your budget for the ticket? Question 3. Which city are you looking for events in? Question 4. When do you want to attend the event? You can add more questions as per your requirement. Step 5. Create results. Now that the questions are set, let's build what results the user will see. For each result, add a headline. For example, here are the best concerts happening near you. A short description, a CTA button like Get Tickets. Attach a URL to your ticket page or affiliate link. Add images of the event category. Step 6. Add mapping. Go back to each question and use the Map To section to connect answers with outcomes. Example, if user selects concerts, map to best concert picks. If user selects sports, map to trending sports events, etc. This ensures every answer flows into the correct result. Step 7. Configure settings. Lead generation, turn on the lead form. Ask for name plus email. Place it before results for maximum conversions. Branding. Add your logo. Set brand colors, change fonts to match your style. Step 8. Preview and publish. Now click Preview to test the entire journey. Make sure all questions flow correctly and the right results appear. Finally, hit Publish and choose how you want to share your ticket finder. Share the link or embed it on your website. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.